Hello students, welcome back. I taught you in the previous classes or in previous video about the branches of business. Branches of business may be grouped into two broad categories, industries and commerce. Now, I taught you about the industry and their categories or their types. So, types of industries are primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. So, in the primary industry, there are extractive and genetic industry. In secondary industries, manufacturing and construction industries. So, manufacturing industries may be classified into following categories: analytical, synthetical, processing, assembly. Now, today we start with the construction industries. Construction industries are those industries which are engaged in the construction of buildings, roads, bridges, dams, flyovers, etc. These industries use the product of manufacturing industries, for example, cement, iron, bricks, and extractive industries, for example, sand, wood. So, construction industries means that the industries which are engaged in the construction of the buildings, roads, bridges, dams, flyovers, etc. Now we come to the tertiary industries. What does it mean? Tertiary industries, all the business units which provide commercial services are collectively known as tertiary industries or service sector. Tertiary industries are also called as a service sector. For example, airlines, hotels, public warehouses, banks, advertising agencies, finance companies, etc. These all are the examples of tertiary industries or service sector. The importance of tertiary industries and their contribution to the country's gross domestic product, that is GDP, has been increasing over the years. Now, we will start with another point on the basis of nature of technology. On the basis of nature of technology used and types of goods produced, industries are divided into two categories: heavy industries and light industries. What is heavy industries? Industries which employ complex technology and long production cycles are called heavy industries. These industries require huge investment in plant and machinery and other fixed assets. Power generation, shipbuilding, aeronautics, and iron and steel, these all are the examples of heavy industries. So, what is heavy industries? Heavy industries which employ complex technology and long production cycles are called heavy industries. Now, the second one is light industries. What is light industry? These industries produce consumer goods and employ simple technology and processes of production. They do not require huge investment. In heavy industries, they require huge investment, but in light industries, they do not require huge investment. For examples, food processing, polythene bags, manufacturing, plastic industry, stationery industry, these all are the examples of light industry. In this light industry, they do not require huge investment. They use simple technology, but in the heavy industry, they require the complex technology and this huge investment in the plant and machinery. Now, on the basis of industries, about the size, they are classified as large scale industries and small scale industries. Now, what is large scale industries? Industries having investment of more than rupees 1 crore in plant and machinery are treated as large scale industries. Large scale industries employ a large number of workers and produce goods in huge quantity. For example, cement, petrochemicals, automobile industries, because they use large number of workers and produce in huge quantity. So, this is called as a large scale industries. Now, the second one is small scale industries. A small scale industries unit is one in which investment in plant and machinery does not exceed rupees 1 crore. Small scale industries employ a small number of persons and produce goods on a small scale. For example, stationery, nightwear, bicycle parts, etc. So what is the difference between large scale industries and small scale industries? In large scale industries, the investment will not exceed 1 crore in plant and machinery, and in the small scale industries that does not exceed 1 crore. In large scale, it's more than 1 crore. This is the difference between the large scale and the small scale. So whatever the points I taught you just now, the points are about the construction industries, tertiary industries. On the basis of nature of technology, there are two categories, heavy and light. On the basis of size, industries divided into two categories, that is the large scale industries and the small scale industries. So this is all about the types of industries, primary, secondary and tertiary. That's all for today. Thank you.